Right, so all the concreting is now done. So the last bit of plastering we're doing today, which is nice. Not quite as late finish as last time in the concrete, which is good as well. So just getting this bit of plastering done now. Last bit, as I've already said, which was very nice to get to that stage. Got a bit tight this one when I got towards the end of the ramp because it was a bit of a squeeze to get in right down the bottom there. But a nice sort of straight run just to crack on with. Nice drying day for it as well, just enough dampness in the block work, didn't have to wet it down. Here's me just straightening it off, run at 45s there. Get it nice and flat, helps you out then when you're floating. Oh, this should be off nicely, yeah. Better than the other day when it was soaking wet. It's always good when you want to wait around all day for it to go off. Just doing nice circular motions. This wall had gone off a bit in patches as well, because some of the walls damper than others. It's always the corners that go off first. Handful my hand just to fill in. Unless you've got really, really fine sand, you use that all a bit to fill. I don't really like using sand that is too fine, because I feel it just hasn't got enough body or sort of strength to it. So I do like a bit of grit in it. If something's too fine, you just keep on cracking more. Okay, we'll just speed this up, watching me finish this off. So doing all the circular motions. And then you saw me round the corner then, burn a bit. That's where I'd done some the other day and I'd gone home. I come in the next day and a dog or something jumped onto the side, which was a bit annoying. So I had to fill the little indentations in. And then just sponge it off, just to get the sort of float marks out and give it a nice even finish. Nice sponge float there. Good bit of kit. Like that. I do need a new one though. Yeah, we'll just speed this up again. It's all the same sort of process. Really pleased to get this patch done. I know it's sort of a big grey thing in the middle of a graveyard, but you've got the two buildings there which are grey, the chapel and the sort of Sunday schoolhouse. Right, so this is job done here now, apart from the handrails. Not sure if you're going to see me put the handrails on yet. We'll see what I feel like for making a video. In fact, I did decide to film the handrails, just put it all on a time lapse. It's a bit like doing adult Meccano, I'd say. It's just getting your head around it and working out what you need. All the stuff from FH Brundle, that was really, really good website on there. Very easy to find what you need. And like I say, you just got to almost map it all out and draw a bit of a plan of it. They did have a feature on the website where you can sort of live map it. It makes for a map view, but you can't use there's no slope feature on what the tool they've got, so you can sort of get it close to what you want, but you've got to change the fittings for slope fittings. And there was a lot of drilling, a lot of tightening with a wrench, and I just used M12 concrete bolts, or concrete bolts I suppose you call them, and they were really good. Hopefully they stand the test of time. They felt like they went in nice and tight. And when you get to the top rails, it's lovely being able to slide through a nice long pole on its own. And just the last few to finish off here now. I was very, very pleased at this point because end of the job basically. And I think at the start I couldn't imagine getting there. It's just the final clean up with the blower. Get all the stuff off the trees off.
So the ramp is now complete. All the handrails are in. Just did time lapse the handrails because it's not very exciting fitting those for watching. Well, maybe not watching me do it. So we'll have a little walk up and down the ramp. It was done, giving it a little clean off. God, didn't think I'd see the end of this job, to be honest. Really happy with how it's turned out. It is in all its glory. See if we can get a shot over here with a job to get the whole thing in. To be honest. Need to cut that tree back now as well. Right, we'll have a little walk down it now. Well, this was a massive job, but we are done.